Hey guys, this is Rich from Rich TV Live, and we have a big week coming, big week ahead of us. So, first on Monday, tomorrow morning at 10 a.m., we are live streaming with Sean from ZMA Travel, the CEO. They have some huge news, big news with them. And then on Monday, after that at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 Eastern, we will be interviewing with the CEO of Halo Labs, Kiran Sidhu. On Tuesday, we are going to be doing a live stream with Emma from Bevcanna, which we brought you guys first. We're doing another interview with her, a live stream, so stay tuned for that. Bring us all your questions. Let's make it interactive. If you are part of Rich TV Live Nation, we are going to be launching options trading. We did an interview with Felix, and he is an expert of options trading, has worked with Bank of America and on Wall Street for years. He is an expert and a successful options trader. So if you want to learn about options, we will be launching that this week too. We're also in the CBD game. You can order our CBDs on Amazon. So we're so busy here at Rich TV Live. Remember, go to www.richtvlive.com and subscribe for our newsletter, our alerts, our push notifications. Visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click that like down below and comment on the show, because all we do is bring you winners. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live. And I'm out. Peace.